CGIF fuse kicked.
We got the 60 millimeter.
Can you see down in there?
Well, I'm going to try to if I can.
Turn my names.
Just like you got it there, I'm just going to close in on it. We're looking right down the barrel. Okay. I got it. Okay. And let's show the brush the way we're going to handle it, Abel. We're going to take the brush. Okay. I'm going to go right down the barrel. Okay. And we inject the steam at the same time, and that's how we're going to clean it. Okay. And then let's put a hole at this point, and that's the way we're going to go when we're ready. And right here is the 60 millimeter mortar tube. We took the picture of it inside. As soon as we're ready to go, we'll start cleaning it. Just give it one shot, and let's see what's happening. And you can see that's what we're trying to do. Get in there to the firing pin as well as the wall. Okay? And so now let's insert that into the unit. We can go horizontal or vertical, either way, whichever way. I think.
Angle it down.
Whenever you're ready, go right ahead. Let's go back in, Abel.
Trying to hold it steady, crazy.
That's it. 3 times is enough. That's got it. Okay, Abel. That's it. And now let's empty it out onto the towel. Let's see what came out. That's the amount of liquid. There's your dirt and your residue, as you can see in the towel. Okay, let's take a look. You guys take a look in there. It's going to be hot, so be careful. How does it look compared to before? Are the sides dry?
Yes. Dry. It's hot too.
Yeah, they're supposed to be hot.
Clean.
Clean? How does the firing pin look? Can you see that far down?
Oh yeah. It's clean. It's all shiny in there now.
Now I'm going to see if I can get the sunlight behind me and maybe get down the barrel also. So nobody's going to question what we're saying here.
Can you see down in there?
Can you lower that just a bit? That's fine. And let me just close in on it. No, I need the sunlight in there. If you can just raise it up a little or something. I wish the heck I brought a flashlight or something. I'm in there, but I don't know how sharp it's picked up. I really don't know. But that's okay. We tried it. You're telling me it's clean? You're the expert.
Yeah, it still has a little surface left on top, but look down in that frying pan. Grab one of the other tubes and we'll prepare it.
Okay.
Prepare it against one. Look in that one and look at this one. Look at the base of it around the firing pin. And look down in there. See all that powder residue in there?
We took it all out?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's the whole objective. And now
Down in the base around the bottom and on the inside, all the powder residue is gone. That was kind of the mixture of the black stuff that just come out of that one. It tilted over in the sunlight.
All right. So to repeat, we got all of the powder off down around the base and around the firing pin. All right? It came clean and dry immediately when we finished.
Now this is one that hasn't been cleaned yet. See like the powder residue down in there?
Okay.
one of these barrels that we have only have a few more rounds to get shot out of it.
Because they're pretty old, so we can.
Oh, I'm right in on you. Just hold it, just like you got him. I'm right in on a firing pin. My God, he couldn't be any nicer than that. Beautiful. I got it. Perfect. I could see it shine right back at me.
How you cleaning before by hand. We get one of the tubes that like this one, like this big one there.
Demonstrate it to the company.
And we just scrub them in there. And by hand with no steam. You put a lubricant in there, and you clean whatever you can out of it. But it's pretty hard to get in there.
Well, with the armor sole, nothing will rust. You don't have to worry about that aspect of it. Sergeant, in the end, how do you like the system?
It cuts down a lot on the cleaning, and the weapon systems are actually clean and they're dry once they're all done.
Okay.
Even the hard to reach spots around the firing pin and down in the base of it, it's all clean, nice and dry. You'll be able to find out if your weapons are pitted on the inside or not, because you'll be able to see a lot more now.
Thank you so much, Sergeant.
Marine Corps M60 60mm mortar cleaning. Take one. Put it in the bottle and the thing. Slow. Like what a button. Like what a button. All right, now dump it out on the towel.
Practically nothing. Practically nothing in the way of water, right? So the residue and the waste disposal is practically nothing.
Nothing. I'll just turn around into the wind going this way and that'll blow all the smoke out of it.
Oh boy, I can see right in there right now. Right down to the bottom, I can see. Oh, it's just great. My goodness, it's like a piece of jewelry down there. Beautiful. Hey, thank you so much. Thank all of you guys. All right?
You're welcome. Dump that little bit of stuff in there, dump it out. On the firing pin after you get done firing. You know, because if it's raining, you got condensation buildup. And every time you're shooting, and the more we clean it, most of the stuff is left in there from our cleaning. So it's like I said, it's very hard to get out. Yeah. Yeah. All you do is just keep adding solvent to it, not solvent, but LRS or whatever it's called, and you just keep firing. Yeah.
Well, hopefully also, with proper cleaning in this method, and I believe this is the way to go, you'll also preserve the life of the weapons.
This definitely cuts down on a lot of weapons maintenance.
Now we're going to using the other wand assembly to clean the outside of that. That's a good idea.
Place it on the towel in there. Set the base of it down. Well, flip it over. Flip it over. Put the muzzle on there. There you go. We'll start from the trigger down.
Yeah, when was the last time it was that clean?
When it was brand new. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. You can see the difference. If you look here, this is where we used to be. And this
Why don't you point that and let me close in on you, sir, and show me what we're talking about.
See, this here is what he just cleaned. This is what it used to look like before he just cleaned it.
Okay.
Now you
Oh,
got
look
this
at the
side.
difference. Yeah, I can see it there. and you realize that the amount of liquid that you're actually using is negligible. So, Private, you're the guy that's doing all of the cleaning. How do you like it?
I think it's a lot easier, a lot faster. It helps out take all the rust. So I mean, it's 100%. I say it's good to go.
Great. Thank you so much. You're the user. You're the guy they want to hear from. Thank you. Tell me how you used to do it.
Pretty much, we used to have like something like a toothbrush, and we just scrub it through, put a little bit of lubrication on it, scrub it all the way down, have somebody spinning it around, and then we just like take like a cloth, and we just go all the way around with it, clean it out. And this is really time consuming. It can take a very long time to do.
How long would it normally take you to clean something like that?
Over an hour.
At least, say an hour to clean one?
Yeah, pretty much. And that, I'm talking about
Just the outside. How about the outside and the inside? What are we looking at?
We're talking about 3 hours.
About 3 hours to clean each
Get a
tooth.
really good cleaning.
Am I out of line when I say that with this type of a system, in about roughly 5 to 10 minutes max, you're done?
Not out of line at all. It's pretty correct.
Well, that's what they found way back in 1990 when we were cleaning the mortars at Quantico, Virginia at Lucas Hall. In a matter of maybe less than 5 minutes, they did each one of them. And your other weapons that you're cleaning, what's been your result so far as time savings is concerned? Have you been cleaning any of your smaller bore weapons?
Oh yeah.
Pistols, rifles?
We'll send the platoon out here. The platoon will probably go through their weapons in half hour, 45 minutes. They're done. They go inside. Sergeant Walker, Sergeant Johnson will inspect them and start taking them in the Army right away. 45 minutes tops for about 30, 35, 40 Marines to get through. You're good to go.
Holy Toledo.
Good to go.
Yeah, thank you so much. This is coming from the user community, and you can't beat that information. Thank you.